Hello everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of appealing for a wrong band placement in the Higher Educational Financing Portal in Kenya. If you've been placed in the wrong funding band and feel doesn't reflect your financial needs, don't worry. We are here to help you get it sorted. First things first, log into your HEF portal using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the funding status section so that you can check out which band you've been placed. If you believe that you've been placed in the wrong band, it's time to appeal. Keep in mind that the band placement determines the level of financial assistance you receive, so it's important to ensure it accurately reflects your situation. Also, remember the kind of information that you give in the portal, including the family income, is the one that determines which band you're going to be placed. Now, let's start the appeal process. Locate the appeals button or link. This will take you to the appeal form. In this form, you need to provide detailed information about why you believe your band placement is incorrect. So you'll need your KCSE index number and your email address. During the appeal process, be as specific as possible. Include any relevant details such as changes in your family financial situation, errors in the data you submitted earlier, or any other factors that might have affected your placement. Next, it's time to gather your supportive documents. This could include proof of income, bank statements, and other relevant letters from relevant authorities. Attach these documents to your appeal form. Remember, these documents will help validate your claim and give the review committee a clear picture of your financial needs. Once you've filled out the form and attached your documents, double-check everything and hit the submit button. After submission, you can monitor the status of your appeal directly through the HEF portal. This process may take some time, so be patient. Make sure to regularly check your email and the portal for any updates or requests for additional information. In case you don't see the email in your inbox, remember to check it in the spam folder. Well, that is it. By following these steps, you can appeal your band placement and ensure that you receive the appropriate level of financial assistance. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more educational content. Thanks for watching and good luck in your appeal.